Hey, Joanne with BroadcastSunny here, and I am going to show you how to make that graph that you see at NaNoWriMo, which is basically a daily graph that shows your progress towards a 50,000 word goal for the month of November, but you can use this any month, or you can use it, can make your own graph for any amount of time. All right. So let's get started. First, you want to hit new, and you are going into Google Sheets. This is what makes it free. You'll need to have a Gmail account to make this. You can also do this in Word. It would just be a little bit differently. And I'm going to put this first line will be for your X and Y axis, or for the grafting data. So the first one I'll put in is the date. This will be the daily word count. And this will be total word count. And I think it's important to put both because for the daily, that can go up and down, whereas the total continuously goes up and hopefully gives you inspiration to see where you've come. So I'll put in the dates now. Okay, and then let's say I did 2,000 words on the first day. I'm just putting in random numbers. Okay, so in here, you're just going to add, this will just be equal to the first date. But in this next column, you want to add it for you so you don't have to, especially if you're going to do it every day. So put in equal, and you're going to add this number and this number. So this is C2. C2, and then add it to B3. So plus B3. And then as you can see, those two have highlighted so you know which ones you are adding together. Hit enter, and then it added 2,000 to 800 to get 2,800. Now you want this formula to follow down for the rest of this stream, but you can do this for as far as you'd like. So grab this little corner right here, this little square box, and see how it highlights, and bring it down, and there you go. It highlighted it all. I mean, it added it. And if you look at this, it says C3, which is here, and B4, which is here. So it changes the formula to accommodate the new cell. And I'm going to call this January word count. Okay. So now we want to graph this. So go highlight the area that you want to graph. So from A1 to, and click on Insert, Chart. And there you go. So now here's the dates. And then here's the word count. And you can click on the different grafting to get an idea of what it is showing, and you can change it to a different color if you want, and the thickness, so you can even make this bigger or whatever. But the daily, the red one, is the one in which it's like the NaNoWriMo one. If you want to delete the daily word count and make it look like NaNoWriMo, click on Setup on the right hand side under Chart Editor. Then go down to Series, and you'll see daily word count. Click on these three dots, and you can remove. To make this look more like the NaNoWriMo chart, I want to put in what is expected graph line in as well. So we'll go back over here and type in expected, And if you recall from NaNoWriMo, it is 1667 daily word count in order to get 50,000 words in 30 days. So again, what I will do is equals D2 plus 1667. Now you can of course change this to whatever you want it to be. Click on that cell, grab that little square, hold and drag down, let go, and it adds it all in for you. So now to add that to this chart, you click on the chart and the 3 dots on the side, edit chart. So to add a series, click add series. And you want to start with the title of the data range. So D1, and then you're going to go down to D8, sorry. And see, I started out with a good, but then I lost. But I'm getting close there again. It's catching up. So my expected data count and my actual data count is separate. Now, so let's customize this. Customize, then click on chart and access titles. First of all, we want to take out daily word count. NaNoWriMo has a total word count as a bar graph. So we want to switch that in our graph. We'll change this. So again, you have the whole graph clicked, and then click on setup. And then here, chart type, it says line chart, and we are looking for a bar chart and line chart combo. And there you have it. So that is your how to get the NaNoWriMo graph for you to use during the year. And if you found this video helpful at all, please share, please like, please subscribe. Thanks. I will see you next time.